This is the setup I'm gonna run on my 3D printer, which is Ender 3 Pro, 1 year old, 2019, bought in the Black Friday deals. So what we have here is a flat bar which will sit on the 2 screws that are holding the bed. And this bar has a central kind of hole for this little shaft here, and it has some gaps for the springs. So the springs that kind of cushion the bed, they will go inside here, and this will be sitting down on the printer, kind of on the printer itself, and the springs will still be pushing up the bed quite nicely, and they'll provide a good suspension there. And that's the whole thing. That's actually what I need, and that's the simple setup I would like to try and run. I used to have another solution for the camera. It was a fixed kind of hook, 3D printed of course, but it didn't work so well. It was wobbling all the time, and with this one I have more hopes that it will work. If you like it, guys, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to improve it, feel free to improve it. So this is what you're gonna need to make the stand for this Logitech camera for your 3D printer. This is the part I've designed. What we will do, we'll have an IKEA lamp, like that. The first thing we do, cut it here and cut it here, and then we put this one in here, and then this can go somewhere, somehow. It can go here, for example. So that's what we're gonna do. So cut it here first. Now the second cut goes here. Perhaps I can just undo it somewhere here. Look at that. It actually doesn't need to be cut. That's excellent. Nice. All right. So now you got the hose, and this is exactly what I need. Just gonna straighten it up a little bit. All right, that's good enough. You could see that, maybe. And that's this side, also good. We can actually start trying to mount it. Okay. Let's see if it will fit. Yes, it will fit, but we need to really tighten this one a bit. Yes, like that. Maybe make it 1% bigger when you're gonna do the slicing part. You can slice it and make it indeed 1% bigger, so this will just go much better inside. That's one thing that I could recommend you to do. But there's another thing, another way how to do it. And I think I'll do that because I don't want to use a lot of glue here. I will use fire. The torch always works, always works. It's quite deep there, but still I think it's better if it goes all the way in. Don't try this at home, kids. It might be dangerous. Okay. Just preheat it a bit. Okay, I think it's halfway in. I'll do a little bit more. You could see, guys, it's much better now. Looks and feels and smells really good. And I can make it flush, make it sit flush here. Actually, could use a little bit of a cold water. Will hold. Will hold. All right, so this is thing number one, and it's done. It's ready. It's pretty much cool. I have to just make it straight, and I think I actually need the cold water here. All right, done. Now it's nice and hard. This is good. Cool. The next step I'm gonna do, I am going to mount the camera somehow. That should be easy, but I don't know how easy it is. And ideally the camera should sit vertically, right? Like that actually, like so. This is how the camera should sit like. And I can of course just put it like so, but I think that the printer might, no, that's gonna be fine. You know, it could sit like this, or even like so, and then I'm not damaging the camera. I will just do it like that, I think. And I'll put some of the straps here, and it's gonna be beautiful. Yeah, well, the straps I have, unfortunately, are extra long and quite large. But I'll use them anyway, because that's what I have. And let me just try it one more time. If I'll put it like that, it will sit here like so. It looks straight. And that's how it's gonna be, I think. And I will be able to rotate it a little bit here and there. But I won't need to, because it will sit straight ahead in the middle of the printing bed. All right? So it will stay like that. It's a bit adjustable, so I can do like so, and then of course this is the whole idea of it. Okay, then let's do it. This one is gonna sit here. I'll leave a bit of slack here. Just like so. So this is the one that is gonna be here. To the octopi that runs all this setup. So I'm gonna do a little review of what we have here. The sharp edges of plastic. So they're nice and smooth. Right. Good. Perfect. So here we go. You know, it's been done within 10 minutes of the design work. So yeah, feel free and enjoy. Welcome. Bye-bye.